back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Alright, so I'm just gonna be 100% with you guys for a second. I was gonna film tomorrow. Tomorrow's my filming day, but something just came up that I gotta help my girlfriend with, which means I have to film today, unexpectedly. But I didn't know. Extremely stoned. You can't be skipping out though, boys. I'm here for you. I'm literally eating Taco Bell, which is a great place, by the way, as we speak. But I gotta get this video up, and it's just, sorry. Also, thank you guys so much. Also, thank you guys so much for the support. You know, we're giving away a real gold rope chain if you guys get this video to 2,000 likes within the day. I can't take myself seriously looking in this camera, man. And real gold rope chain. So thank you guys, really appreciate your support. Also, NameBranFam.com, link is down below. It's our website. We sell jewelry on there. Quality's shoddy, to say the least, but you get it for quite cheap. And I pick out all the styles, so I think you guys will kind of dig what you find on there. Everything's free. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. You can actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. So don't add 1 thing, add 2 things over at NameBranFam.com. Link is down below. You guys help out with the channel a lot by doing that. All right, let's get into it. Also, another thing, this editing might be shoddy, although I don't know. Sorry, I'm just getting self-conscious because I have to edit after this. Start over. Anyway, so you guys have been asking me to actually do this video for a long time. I just didn't. I don't know why. And then I saw that they got a buy one get one free sale for the item you were talking about. What we're checking out today is Shop GLD. You guys know them. They're pretty much the biggest fake jewelry company out there. They've got watches. Now, one time we unboxed their fully diamond watch. I think I lost that thing. It's still a lot of money. It's like $1,000. But they also have like cheaper versions of it with like straps that don't have diamonds. I thought we'd unbox Shop GLD's cheapest diamond watch that you guys have been asking me to review. Is pretty much long story short, bro. So let's check her out. I got buy one get one free. They were like 300 bucks. It's more Canadian. It's a lot of money. It's kind of why I didn't really want to do this video, but we're gonna diamond test it. Here's the review, I guess. Whatever. There's really no premise. I mean, 1, will it pass a diamond tester? 2, there's your review. There's a premise. High. I guess that's another premise. Oh, she's caught in the act. Excuse me. Hey, that's my Taco Bell wrapper. You can't be doing that. Good try, though. Alright, alright. I don't blame you, man. It's pretty good stuff, huh? Let's check out the watches. I'm sorry, once again. I didn't plan to be filming today, and therefore, you know, my day off. What are we gonna do? We're gonna eat some Taco Bell and do a little something. But, here for the boys regardless. A big box, holy hell. She exploded! She really did explode in there. What's going on? Alright, the 2 watches, I actually do understand why you guys asked me to review these things. I spent actually quite a bit of money on this purchase, like over $400 American for one video, and that's the video that apparently this happens in. So that sucks. Shoot, that actually sucks. I had to do a really good job on this video. At least to get my money back so it gets views. Thinking out loud. Alright, Shop GLD, wrong box. Alright, I understand why you guys asked me to review these. I mean, the regular watch that's like a lot of money that's fully diamond filled is, you know, expensive. This one's like half the price, so they got diamonds on it still. Also, I think rubber straps are pretty in right now because I feel like a lot of people are like looking at like Richard Milles online with these rappers wearing them. I don't know. Anyway, there's the first one. How much was I don't know. Check the website. Not sponsored. You know, they probably should by now. They probably should, but this is what you guys are wanting to see, man. It's a beaut, actually. What I will say, and I've said it before, Shop GLD, they're fake jewelry. I don't wear the fake stuff, which is why I'm not really excited to get this. But when it comes to fake jewelry, and I've seen a lot, they kill it. It's like they hit it right out the park, and with their watches, man, it's absolutely unreal. I've seen a lot of real bust-down watches or diamond watches in my life. They really look the exact same, if not better. So there's the first one. We got 2 because it was buy one get one free. It goes on your wrist like that if you guys want it tonight. That's a cool look, bro. Oh dang, it's not too flashy. Like if I wore like the other one they put out, the full diamond one, out to a wedding, I'd look like an asshole. You can't be stealing people's shine on their day. It's like asking your girlfriend to marry you on your brother's wedding day. You know what I mean? Which would be hilarious. Huge prank. Got that in mind, by the way. Anyway, Don't say that in the video. Anyway, that's how that looks, boys. They have great quality. It's freaking bust down. It says, one thing I don't like with these, man, GLD. If that didn't, I'm gonna be honest with you for a second. Oh, this is why people don't get high with Brand. He talks too much. I'll keep it honest for a second though. And also, I just used myself in third person. That was super annoying. If they didn't say GLD on it, like they do right here, and I didn't feel like, because I don't want to be called out for wearing fake jewelry, I think it's fine to wear it, but I just don't want that. And if I could get the real stuff, I do. But why would I get the real thing? If I know I can afford it, why would I get the real thing if this looks just as good? But it says GLD, and therefore, I don't know. So they should probably make a no-name brand of it, but why would that be good for their branding? It doesn't make sense. Anyway, there's the first one. Comes with a box that says some stuff, Alpha Era, Gold GLD, with one of these things. It looks like some sort of trap you don't want to be in from the movie Saw. Next one, boys. Jesus, what a name. Oh yeah, we got something free. So this is pretty much what I'm giving away, but I'm giving away a real gold one because I couldn't find it. So there you go. Cool. Comes with that. I forgot. Next watch. What did I get? I got the same one in red. I could choose from anything, and I'm reviewing the same one. Idiot. Oh. Okay. Well, anyway, same one in red. I actually kind of like the red one. I think the red one's cool. Let's see this one. Oh God, where did I already put it? Oh man, where did I put it? Oh, it's right here. There they are, GLD. You know, great job, boys. You guys are watching the video that over at GLD. Sauce me some money, you know? I played around here, man. I want cash now. Ah! There it goes. Well, we're already stoned anyway, may as well keep going. Sorry, I just watched that back. I didn't actually show you guys. You wanted a review. Let's check it out. The diamonds, they're so nice. I don't really know what to say about it, boys. They're fake, obviously. What we are going to test right now is if they will pass a diamond tester. I think their expensive one that they had before passed my diamond tester, but I can't remember. Anyway, there it is, boys. There's your first look at it. Now let's see what everyone wants to know. Does Brand have 10 girls in the bedroom or not? No, I'm just kidding. No, I don't. I wish. I got 3. Alright, boys, diamond tester is engaged. There's a review. Hopefully, you know, actually just hashtag worst review channel, but best review channel on YouTube down below. I don't even want to be a review channel. I just called myself that. I'm comedy review. It still sounds bad. Anyway, just heat it up. We're gonna try this one first. We're gonna try the big diamonds. If it goes up to red, it means it's real. If it makes that sound, I'm hitting metal. Okay, big diamonds on this one at least. We'll just do 2 at once. Big diamonds on this one. Oh, idiot. There's plastic over the big diamonds. Okay. It was weird that I wasn't reacting at all. Alright, let's try the big diamonds again. Well, still nothing. Didn't matter. Keep the blast. Oh, shoot. Now I can't return this. Let's try the mini diamonds. I really don't think this is going to work. This is why we're kind of just like rushing it a little bit. Yeah, it goes up a little bit. It's just not working. It's not passing the diamond tester. Appreciate you guys for watching. Sorry for the half ASS video. But I mean, it's my day off. I'm not trying. I'm not trying to. I just don't really care right now to make like a really good one. I feel like this is content enough catching Brand on an off time like this. So appreciate y'all for watching. Mark the gaming greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. I'm gonna finish my Crunchwrap Supreme with the extra fries and what is it? Oh! I still have another one of these too. This is great. Anyway, appreciate y'all. Blah.